Good morning, Wakefield. Welcome back to the 19th edition of Wakefield Action Media. I'm Valeria.
And I'm Dalila. February is Black History Month. How can you celebrate? Get to know some living legends in the Black community through their work.
Next Monday, the 22nd at 11 a.m., local legend Christylez will host a workshop on beatboxing and the history of beatboxing. He will share some technique drills and answer some questions.
It is only available to 25 Wakefield students, so fill out the Google form, which is linked in the description.
On Monday, March 1st at 11 a.m., Step Afrika will host a workshop on the history of stepping. Go over some technique drills and a little choreography.
Once again, it's only available to 25 Wakefield students, so the link will be in the description to fill out the Google form.
Next Monday is also the library's second Cozy Up with a Book event. Stop by Wakefield between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. to grab a free book to keep and some treats to eat.
It is time to pick out your schedule for next year, Warriors.
Start at the Wakefield High School Counseling Canvas page and click on the green Academic Planning and Course Scheduling link. You need to log into Naviance to select the classes you would like to take for next year. Make sure you have 7 classes and 3 alternate elective classes.
Find directions for logging on to Naviance, the Wakefield master list of classes, and guidelines for picking the best schedule for next year.
This is a new scheduling system, so email your counselors for help or join the counseling open office hours every Tuesday and Wednesday during lunch until schedules are due.
Submit your course plan by March 5th.
The SGA has an announcement about next week.
Next week, February 23rd through 26th, is Wakefield's Engage campaign.
We are encouraging you to change your team's profile picture, chat with your teachers, turn on your camera, and be responsive in class.
Each day, the most engaged student in each class will be entered into a raffle for a $25 gift card.
Hopefully, we can help each other and our teachers by being more engaged.
Thanks, SGA officers. You will get more information in Warriors Period next Monday.
That's it for this week.
See you next Wednesday for another exciting edition.